Hey beautiful, my name is Dustin and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with Tiffany Colburn, owner and lead esthetician at TC Beauty Hawaii, one of Hawaii's top brow and lash salons, which also specializes in skincare. In today's video, Tiffany is going to give me eyelash extensions.
Eyelash extensions are an extension of your natural eyelashes. There are different types of eyelash extensions. There are mink, synthetic mink, silk, and so many other different ones, but I use synthetic mink because they do look like mink lashes. However, they hold the curl, in my opinion, a little bit longer than natural mink lashes.
So let's get started.
We're gonna place these gel pads on your lower lashes to hold them out of the way so no glue gets on them. Open and look up. So from this point on, you're gonna wanna keep your eyes closed. The glue is really strong, so if you were to open them, you'd feel kind of like a burning sensation as if you were cutting onions. So now I'm gonna prime your lashes. This is just gonna remove any dirt or makeup to get the best retention for the glue.
So how long does this generally take?
For men's lashes, probably an hour, but usually with female lashes that are a little bit more full would take up to 2 hours. Today I'm going to use a C curl. Your natural lashes are pretty thick. I'm going to use it in the 0.2 millimeter diameter. And as far as length, I'm going to figure that out in just a minute. So when you extend lashes, you don't want to go too much longer than your natural lash. You don't want to put anything on that's going to be too heavy and cause them to fall out prematurely. In general, we try not to go longer than a third longer than your natural lash because then it starts to get a little too heavy. However, I do see other lash artists putting a lot longer lashes on their clients. I'm going to use C curl, 12 millimeters in length, 0.2 millimeters in diameter. Dustin's eyes are kind of close set, so we're going to concentrate some of the longer lengths on the outer section and gradually taper them in. Not quite like a cat eye, but like a natural cat eye, just to draw his eyes outward a little and open them up. For the reveal.
Oh my god! Yes! Wow, looks so good! Oh my god, I feel so beautiful. I love it. Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. They look great on you.
So how do I take care of these lashes?
No wetting them for the first 24 hours. Then after the first 24 hours, you're gonna wanna cleanse them daily, at least once per day with baby shampoo. So I usually use my ring fingers. Lather up the baby shampoo, scoop up the lather, put them onto your ring fingers and do circular motions like so. And then splash them with water. Avoid oil-based products. No mascara.
Is it okay to wear eye makeup or makeup in general?
Yes, you can wear them, but when you do wash your makeup off, because you're not using any oil-based product, baby shampoo should be sufficient to get your eye makeup off. And if you're using a makeup wipe, make sure it's an oil-free makeup wipe. You can cleanse your face with your normal cleanser, just avoid your eye area, unless you're sure there's no oil in your cleanser.
How long will this last?
They'll last until your natural lash falls out. However, all your lashes are on different cycles, generally a 4 to 6 week cycle. But you'll want to retouch your lashes every 2 to 3 weeks just to keep them full and looking flawless. That should be about it, but if you have any questions, give me a call. You have my number. Don't forget your mascara wand. You'll want to brush your eyelash extensions just to keep them in place. You can brush it up like you're putting on mascara, or brush them from the top half and kind of spin them outward just to line them up, because sometimes when you're sleeping or if you're in the wind, they might get a little messy.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below what you think of my new eyelash extensions. And follow me on Instagram at Terrarium Kids. And follow Tiffany at Tiffany Colburn Beauty. Have a beautiful day. This video was brought to you by Terrarium Kits, DIY air plant mini gardens that are fun and easy to assemble. Each kit contains all the supplies needed to create a fabulous terrarium for your home or office. Use code YouTube for 15% off.